This is the Cricut Learning Kit, and it's the paper one. So let's go ahead and open this up. So there's an opening at the top and at the bottom. Let's slide the sleeve off first. Let me see. It's not connected anymore. Trying to... Oh, there we go. Alrighty. So after we get the sleeve off, it looks like on this side, it has where you can take... I can peel it off, or I can use my knife, my true knife blade. And I'm gonna open this up. All right, and here we go. It has all of the tools right here. It has the scraper, 2 pens, a scoring tool, a spatula, and a weeding tool, and the quick start guide. So let's go ahead and start taking some of this out. Here's the insert cards. Awesome. Set that to the side. Set that, and let's just start taking some of these things out. They got them in there really good so they don't shift while transporting. All right, then you can take this side off. Ooh, this is nice. It's a cheat sheet for beginners. This is very nice and convenient. So it has the list of like the materials. It's great for what kind of projects, and then the types, and then the essential tools and accessories, need to know and want to know more. Yep, one side, that's really cool. And here's a stack of the cardstock and the smart paper. So this goes right into the machine without a mat. And here's the light grip, which is the blue Cricut mat. And then you have the cardstock mat. Let me see if I can. Oh, there we go. And that's the unboxing. So you get all of those items in this learning kit, which is really neat. So now, after you have your learning plan pulled up, you want to scroll down to where it says paper, and you want to go through the videos. First, watch the initial video, the intro, and then go into lesson 1. That's what we're doing today, to create and cut a simple 3D paper project. So once you have it open, you want to go ahead and go through the dialog box and resize it and set it to print to your Cricut. And then you load the mat, and then it does all the magic. And there you go. You put it together and you have a crown. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like my channel and subscribe.